What's up guys, 8K with dcctrain. Second part, coupler replacement. This is E8 lifelike, probably mid of 90s. So also I did decoder installation, will be test very soon. So what we need to get to make it like that. So I try my best to do like closer video. So here's the set. That number. And it's pretty much straightforward. Definitely easy to pull it out, and then they recommend to trim a little bit those assemblies here, right there, just a little bit. Then very important part, so they saying microtrains saying in here I go. Some recently released of lifelike locomotives have a slightly lower neck to the draft gearbox. So, and I did it and it works better. So I just trim a little bit here and there, and this part upside down like that, trim here and here, and just clean it a little bit. So works good. But then they showing you this diagram. So you're putting the assembly, that assembly first inside of that area here, then assembling spring with that holder, and then pushing it from this side, which is, I found on the first locomotive, very hard. So I'm doing it differently, and I'm going to show you. So using those pinky things so you can see better. This is assembly, so not big deal. I'm using tweezers like that, holding it exactly like this. Okay, the magnification is like, I need always looking at my screen, make sure you see it. Okay, so it's going like this way, but as I said, it was a little bit hard for me. So what I'm doing now, that small like angle cut, that's bottom piece right here. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm putting this locker kind of like that. So it's there, not really moving. Okay, then I'm getting the spring. Don't worry, they give you like extra, so if it's fly, just be careful. Okay, and it's kind of sits very nice here. Yeah, no problem. Then a nice part, that assembly, just be careful with the gear. Yeah, don't lose the gear and the rod. So then taking this, using my tweezers, so there is like a small area, like a neck, I'm calling it neck. Then you just push it very slowly here it's almost done. Just be careful. Okay, and using different tweezers, kind of positioning it. Looks good. Works just fine. Okay, then be careful. I'm going to put some CA to lock it, and it's just fine. Yeah, need to go a little bit higher, like a little bit higher. Maybe like that. Adjust it really before you, maybe just touch of CA so you still can adjust it, but better just adjust it from the beginning. Let me look. Yeah, looks great. So then I'm using my X-Acto knife, applying a little bit of CA here, because you don't want a lot of CA. Just applying here and there, then I will turn upside down and lock it from the bottom. Here we go. I'm using Loctite for years, literally decades. So a little bit of CA like that, you can see, and very slowly, not pushing, just tiny touch in this area. Then check it again. Yep, good. And I apply a little bit here. It's already good to go, but it's not enough. If you have like a 50 cars train set. Okay, a little bit more again. Put it here. Okay, like very small amount. Okay, and here. This is not super fresh CA, which is I prefer. If it's like maybe 6-7 months older, and it's getting not like gooey, but it's not like spreading out immediately. That's it, done deal. All right, guys, I hope this will help with your assembly. Thanks for supporting business. Thanks for watching videos. If you'd like to help the channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.